It's mine, whose world is this?
Taking over in the landscape of the kicks and copping any bricks off fire you desire. My rock maybe flip. It's season, you never trip. Get them early, you never miss no bite. But if they hot, make it to the court, they cap. Now welcome to Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, yeah, Bobby Sneaker World. Sneaker World, Sneaker World.
Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I am back with another video. Now you can see we're walking through the mall right now. We're headed over to Foot Locker, about to pick up these pairs of Jordan 1 Fearless UNC to Chicago. Now I posted on my IG yesterday that if anybody wanted these 10.5, since I hit on 3 different pairs, that they were up for grabs, you know what I'm saying? And my boy Kicks from West hit me up, said that he needed a pair he didn't hit. So I'm picking up a pair and they're shipping out to him today. So shout out to him, go subscribe to his channel. I'll put the link to his channel down in the description box below. If you're new around here, you see that big button down below and it's still red, you're doing it all wrong. Make sure that button is gray. Come over here and join the movement, join the team. So let's get in the store and we'll do a review back at the house. All right, y'all see what it is. Look at this. He said this is the last one in the store. This is the same thing from the last Fearless box. Beat. It's ridiculous, man. So I'm gonna keep this pair and I'm gonna send the other box to my boy Kicks from West. But as y'all can see, review at the house. All right, y'all, so y'all see what it is, man. We back at the house. It's been a long day. It's been a long week, man. After taking some weeks off, your boy's been grinding. I've been putting out video after video after video, multiple videos a day. But it's been fun being back in front of the camera, man. Things are starting to change around a little bit. Before I get into that, special shout out to my son, Joso Dav. We got his football banquet today. 10 touchdowns on the season in 8 games. Your boy was balling, man. He did his thing, man. Daddy loves you. So I wanted to get that out of the way, man. Respect to my son on his big season. Go Knights. Now, getting into these sneakers a little bit. I picked up all 3 pairs today. The first pair I told y'all was already claimed. That went out to my boy Kicks from West. Those have already, the tracking number has already been sent. Those are off to him. They'll be there at the beginning of the week. Shout out to him. Go subscribe to his channel. The other ones, I didn't even make it out of the mall. I didn't even plan on picking up all 3 pair. But I didn't make it out of the mall before somebody was like, hey, you know what I'm saying? I don't feel like waiting until 3 o'clock to see if there's an extra pair. You know what I'm saying? That's my size. Can I get these for my son? No problem. I got a 3rd one on deck. So I had to ride all the way over to the furthest mall away from me to get my own personal pair, since I hit on 3 size 10.5s, my personal pair, and that's all I was going for was my personal pair. Now, with all that being said, let's go over the size label and the colorway. It says white, black, university blue, size 10.5 on that thing. See that there, just like the other Fearless ones that I got, the women's release, you got your reverse Jordan 1 box as far as colors. You got your all primary red colorway with the black Nike branding all over the box. Pop that. Same thing with the quotes on the paper. You got your Michael Jordan retirement speech. One of the quotes that they pulled from there was, "Limits like fears are often just an illusion," on the wrapping paper. Let's flip that out and let's get these sneakers out. You also should come with your Fearless card. Same quote on the back with Michael Jordan's signature there. Abel trying to be in the video. Okay, we're gonna pull both sneakers out, but these should come with 4 laces if you're including the one that comes in the pack. So I'm just going to assume that somebody was tampering, probably looking at the sneakers in the back, one of the employees, and my blue lace bag is not attached. It should be the small lace bags with this release, because there's so many of them. There's 4 no Jordan Jumpman on the bags. So my blue one's not attached, but the other 2 are. You got your red and white, and your black is already in the sneaker. Now, going over the sneaker a little bit, let's go to the one that doesn't have the laces. You got your all red and white patent leather up front Lateral and medial side has white side paneling, and then you got your Carolina blue yams. You know what I'm saying? So up here, you got your yellow and black wings logo, like bubble logo, all nylon tongue, red Nike branding there, all red outsole Jordan 1, and then you also have that quote on this hang tag. You got your fearless, and you also have the quote there. Now these are dope, but just like I told y'all in the live cop video, once I saw that they have the feet, a woman's, I don't know if they're going to call it the same thing, if they're going to call the UNC to Chicago. I don't even know if Nike is calling these that. I think that's what the sneaker community likes to do, come up with our own nicknames, but that's fine. Once I saw the women's version with the black side panels and the red toe box, and it's all regular traditional leather, not patent leather, I'll take that sneaker 10 out of 10 times, 7 days a week over this one. This one is clean, but I will take a traditional leather Jordan 1 over all patent leather sneaker any day of the week. And I like the colors on that one better with the all red toe box, black side panels, blue back, and I think it has a blue Nike swoosh. I'm not sure, but I like that sneaker better. Doesn't mean I like this one any worse. I'm just gonna sit on this one. I'm gonna sit on this one till February, and if I can get my hands on that one, this one is out of the door. I don't need them both. So, like I said, I appreciate y'all watching another one of my vlogs, my videos, and listening to me ramble. So, y'all could have been watching anybody's video, and y'all chose to click on mine. I'm gonna get out of here. We're gonna go to this banquet. OV!